What's going on everyone? In this video I will show you how to fix camera not focusing in Galaxy A56. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and then click on apps. After clicking on apps, then scroll down and here you can see the option camera. Now click on camera. Now here you can see the option force stop. Now here you can force stop your camera. After force stop your camera, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. After restart your device, then open camera. In camera, on top left corner you can see the setting icon. Now click on the setting icon and then scroll down in last and here you can see the option reset settings. Now click on it and then click on reset. After reset the camera settings, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.